Welcome learners for the lecture 22 of a linear algebra. Today we are discussing about the topic that will be generated as a eigenvalue and eigenvector for the diagonal. This is your unit third will be started. Okay. What is the theorem of this value for depending on the equation? Let T be the linear operator on the vector space V and let lambda 1 to lambda k be the distinct eigenvalue of a T for each I equals to 1 to k. Let Si be the finite linearly independent subset of the eigenspace. Okay, E lambda 1. Then S equals to S1 subspace of union that will be generated union space, that is a S2 union of the generated Sk is a linearly independent subset of the V. Let us go started as a proof. What will be say? T is a linear operator for this value and generated to the function that is a Si for the finite linearly independent subset of the eigenspace of this value. Okay, let us go start it. Suppose that for each I, Si equals to generated as a Vi1, Vi2, consider as a Vi in I for generating to the value of a In. Then S equals to Vij, that will be generated 1 is less than or equals to j is less than or equals to Ni, and let 1 is less than or equals to I less than or equals to k. True value will be considering Ni to k. Consider any scalar Aij such that true value will be generated summation I equals to 1 to k summation j equals to 1 to Ni Aij Vij. Both of this function will be given Ij on this value equals to 0. Then for each I, let will be generated as a Wi summation Ni j equals to 1 Aij Vij, both of this function of this value. Okay, they will be generated clearly to this form of this function. Then Wi is an element of a E lambda I for each I, and Wi2 consider as a Wk equals to 0. Therefore, by the lemma will be given to this form Wi equals to 0 for all I, but each generating to this value of a Si is a linearly independent, and hence Aij equals to 0 for all the value of a j. We conclude that S is a linearly independent form of this function for giving to the value of this function. Okay. Definition of the another topic we consider to the form that is a let W1, W2 to Wk, they generated to the value 1 to k, be the subspace of the vectors V. We define to the sum of these subspaces to be the set of V1 plus V2 plus dash dash dash, consider as a Vk. Vi is an element of a Wi for 1 to less than or equals to I less than or equals to k will be generated, which we denote by the function that is a W1, W2 to Wk, or summation will be generated as a 1 to k, that is a j equals to 1 to k, W is considered as a I. It is a simple exercise to consider show that the sum of the subspaces of the vector space is also called as the subspaces of this function.